4 at a time is one of our favorite ways to practice ordering numbers into a sequence. The goal of the game is to place 4 number squares on an empty line in the correct order. Less on the left and more on the right. When the game begins, a square with a number will float onto the playing board. Decide which space the number should go in, from less to more, and click on the space to move the square into place. After placing a square, a new one appears. Figure out if the new square is less or more than the numbers placed on the line. Click on the open space to the left of it to place the new square into the sequence. Finish the game by placing all 4 numbers in a sequence in their correct order. You will know the order is correct when all 4 squares fly off the screen and the progress meter moves up 1 mark. Once the progress meter fills with 3 correct plays, you have finished a game and will earn 6 stickers. If you find that you have placed a number in the wrong spot, you can still move it to an open space left or right. Just click and drag which way you want to move it. You can move more than 1 square as long as there is an open space. If you place all numbers correctly without needing to slide any squares, you earn 1 bonus sticker. Try to challenge yourself to get the correct order without having to move any numbers on the line. If you make a mistake, a red X will appear and the number square will drop off screen. You will not lose any bonus stickers for wrong answers, but you will not advance until all 4 numbers are placed correctly in order. As you level up in games and rounds, the range of numbers will get higher. Always remember to stay focused on ordering the 4 numbers in their correct sequence. Continue to play the games until you complete all 4 rounds and earn the maximum number of stickers. We hope you have fun playing 4 at a time. If you get stuck or want to find out the number of stickers you can earn, click the directions button below the game. Good luck!